real quick, this is a video of the Champion 2000 watt inverter generator starting an air compressor, which is supposedly a 2 horsepower 4-gallon compressor made by DeVilbiss Air Power Company. It's plugged into the generator, which at this time is running on eco mode. So I'm just going to let a little air out of the compressor just to show that we can start it. And we'll just let the generator settle in and we'll do it again. Admittedly, when I first did this, it did stall the generator. I find that when the generator is cold, it will stall on a larger load easier than when it's warmed up. I do this every so often. I check the tires on my truck or my wife's car. Alright, so here we go again. And watch the gauge go down. This was the first model produced, had the 200 millisecond control module in there, which at that time would cause the generator to go in overload. The modules have been replaced with a 400 millisecond module. The modules that were used are the ones that do not have an external circuit breaker. While this particular unit does, I bypassed the external regulator. The external circuit breaker, and supposedly she'll run up to 1700 watts running. Anyhow, thank you.